True Jamaican vibes fiery. So guys, I am now in the Highgate area in St. Mary. Yeah man, so you can check out what I go on, big up on yourself and where I watch from. Yeah, and abroad you can big up on yourself. See everybody at speed. So I go on with my people. Be a speed in our head away. Don't know what I go on. Nobody not take their time nowadays. So when you come on the road and just take no time, drive safe, no matter nobody pushing off of the road. Yeah man, so with a high gate, you know. So we're very close to St. Mary High School, which is on your left. Yeah man, big up all the people that want to go to St. Mary High School. Big up on yourself. So you know the location here. Like up the video free of cost. Yeah man, like up the video. Yeah man, so for my journey, you know, so we have My Eyes Are Yours, so you can check out him channel and like up the video and subscribe. Each one help one. So I'll put the link in the description, and also, yeah man, like up the video man. My Eyes Are Yours. Him tour Jamaica, him do some cooking same way. Good some overhead footage. Some epic cooking of Jamaican content, Jamaican dishes. Yeah man, so you can learn something from it. Yeah man, so remember, like up the video and subscribe, you know. One love and one heart. blood. No, sir. No, man. Yo, boss last no.
Wrong man. Wrong with that car this road there, man.
Yeah, man, see me there for the journey, you know, we last day still, but we are going to take the road and see where it carry go, you know? Yeah, man, we there. Where's the name, boss? I come like the last night St. Mary, brother.
I say you put Maria can this for brother. And a straight highway, straight road. No road you turn off, brother.
Yeah, my people drive like we last this morning, but I told Jamaica still, you know. Whole a piece of last in the morning, yeah.
Far, you know, too.
That should be about 35 minutes.
Eh?
Yeah.
So which part you are going to
Huh? Port Maria.
From here, so?
Eh?
Where did you say? Much me sent you from here, so?
35 minutes. I don't know what the service looks like.
Man, you see, you know where you go, man.
No, man. Remember me ask you?
What?
Me ask you, I say, Molo, you sure? Say, I right where the pants up?
What that is?
The boss says, yes, man. Oh, God. Hold it.
I rode up with
They are Southeast St. Mary, my people. Just pick up a last a while ago.
Where we there, brother? Brother, me not know about them back road. I never drive this side there yet. But brother, I want straight road to say, go to Maria.
That's your boy like car. So, what's a high gate where you come from a while ago? High gate. Yes, the people who still a tour road and so are going. I say a tour guide this, you know. You're not talking about your street. Right way. man never so far drive come by KFC, man.
When you follow the truck from left, right, protect. Right, Molo sugar take when you follow it.
So I name one place stop over there.